and welcome back to my channel. Today I've got this photo album from the op shop, and it had all like windows in it. So what I've done is take a few of the pages apart. Like there's some big windows there, but I've taken all the smaller ones apart, cut them down like that, and I want to alter some for a junk journal page. So let's grab, I get a fairly plain one I think. Alright, so what I want to do is alter it to make it look a little old, and the first thing I'm going to do is sew around the edge, so I'll do that off camera. Alright, I've done a zigzag stitch around the edge, and I want to add some stamps to it now, just to you know, give it that collagey sort of look. I'm just using StazOn for that because as you can see the card is a little shiny. So what I want to do where did I put my sandpaper? What I want to do is just take a little bit of that shine off. So I've just got some old sandpaper here, and I don't mind if the stamp blurs. I'm just going to take some of that back off. And then come in with some of my, what is this, vintage photo ink. I might even sand, oops, sorry, the edge. I want to just round off some of the corners as well. Oh, that one was hard. What's going on with you? It's probably double card because some of it had I had to remove the backing off it. There we go. Sorry about the camera. Alright, so I'm going to put some on the back too. Flowers here that I've put through the laminator, so we could maybe put that in there. But anyway, I can do that off camera. I'll show you ones I've done. And I'll just put the laminating, sewed the laminating on, haven't used any glue. And yeah, I'm going to use them for a journal spot in my Australiana journal. So, so yeah, you would just basically cut that down and sew around it. It's pretty easy, and it's a good way because I've seen quite a few of these albums in the op shop, and because they've got really thick pages, it's hard to know what to do with them. And these ones here, you'd have to have them in quite a big journal, so I've left them in the book to just preserve them, and pulled out smaller ones like this. So whoops, so let's put that one aside that I haven't finished, and I'll bring my junk journal in. Now I promised you I would show you a quick look through with the pages done, and it's just bare, like it's not bare, but it's just, I had a world of pain sewing these signatures in, a world of pain. Put in 4 and chose to do the pamphlet stitch, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh gosh, I was in a world of pain. Just ask my husband. But each signature is has got a tea towel around it. Okay, and that just is dividing each of them up. So let's find a spot to put one of these in. This here is beautiful. This is some of Jo's artwork that she sent me, and I think I've got a few of them in here as well. But let's there's the other side of it, I think. Let's find somewhere to put it in. want a fairly plain page because I want to put some of Jo's artwork on the bottom of it. Here's another one of Jo's artwork that she sent me. Okay, I found a page. This is some more of Jo's artwork, which I absolutely love. Love. Thank you, Jo. And I'm getting in here and using it. I'm going to, oh gosh, I feel bad tearing this, but you know what? I'm going to. Here we go. Oh, right now, there we go. And then I can use lots more in different spots, can't I? And I'm going to just put that on there, but I might do some sewing on here first. Okay, so I've just sewed around the edge of that. I don't know whether the oil pastels will take the oxide ink. I'll have a go. There we go. And just put some glue along there. And this is a picture of the Blue Mountains, just up from Sydney. So let's stick that. I don't know whether I'll stick it right over. Yeah, I might stick it right over. Let's stick that in there. And then we can put our altered photo album, what do you call it? A journaling card, because you can journal all around there. And we're just going to pop it there, and we can see the Blue Mountains there through the window. Maybe just a real quick flick through. There's a lot in here to fill up, so we'll get there. Alright, if you're new here, please subscribe to my channel, press that notification bell so that you see when I upload a video. Check me out too on Instagram. I put different things up there as well. And yeah, press like, share and all that sort of stuff. Okay, so while we're here, I'm just going to finish off this little strip here. I might put a piece of old map page on it, just so that 2 pages are finished while I'm doing things. This one, oh gosh, it's very brittle. Very brittle. Oh, I didn't leave it long enough. Alright, let's put on this piece then. Yeah. Right. So this is just out of a really old map book, and yeah, some of those vintage books can become quite brittle, so it's good to glue them down onto something else. Let's get that in there. Tuck that down in there. Oops, see how brittle that was? That doesn't matter, it'll still stick down. I'll just put a bit of ink on the bottom of that. I have got a few of these that I've backed in, some book pages that I've just backed in tea-dyed paper. I might just pop them in there for now, and maybe we could find something to put along here. I've just grabbed another piece of Jo's paper. These ones, she packed in a heap of scraps for me as well, just to use strips and bits and pieces, and I think that'll make this page nice and colourful. Put it along the top of the pocket, like that. Cut that off, and I'm not going to throw any of my little scraps out because they're too precious. Thank you, Jo. And yeah, I'll put a link to Jo's website, and you can pop over and see all her artwork. She's an Australian-born art teacher, living in London and working in London. And yeah, and our girls went to uni together. That's how I got to know Jo. So she's like a daughter to us. So there, I think that looks really nice. Just finishes those 2 pages off and they're nice and colourful. Alright, so thanks for joining me and I will catch you next time. Bye.